In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sky on any image inside of PhotoVibrance. So what I'm going to do is simply go to Effects and then go to Skies. And you can simply hover your mouse on the different types of skies and then left click to add it to your canvas. And then I'm just going to simply resize it a little bit like this and maybe place it up a bit like so. The next thing you want to do is click on Draw Mask, and you can simply just zoom in a bit and draw out the edge of your mask over here and then fill it in once you've added the edge. So I'm going to quickly go through and do this. Okay, great. So once you've drawn out the mask, simply hit finish, and then what you can do is adjust the edge fading by simply playing around with this, and you see that it helps you to basically merge the footage together so it looks a lot cleaner. And you can also adjust the speed of your video. So let's click on play, and you can see how nice that looks to really create a lot of attention to your image. And you can also adjust the speed as well, the overall speed of the video, by dragging this down like so and placing it like that. So that's how to quickly create a sky replacement inside of PhotoVibrance.
With PhotoVibrance, you can transform any photo into a mesmerizing moving image in just a few clicks. Simply drop your image into Vibrance and choose the effect you want to create. Then select your preferred resolution. Inside the editor is where the magic happens. Click around the parts of your image you want to remain still. Then choose the motion arrows to add movement to areas in your image you want to bring to life. It's really that simple. You can also add text, images, as well as special effects and sky replacements to make your images really grab attention. In our advanced editor, you can also create incredible 3D parallax animations. Control the path and rotation of the camera, adjust the easing of your animations, and even add real 3D particles to your images. Once you're ready, choose your file format and hit publish. That's it. Get started transforming your images into breathtaking motion pictures with PhotoVibrance.